Sige na, Paul.
This is John Paul Longakit.
Yes, my name is John Paul Longakit. My mother is Jocelyn Longakit and my father is Alejandro Longakit. Just call me for short, is Paul. This is Joy Joy, my friend. She's the daughter of...
Again? She's a daughter? And who's that one?
She's a brat girl.
She's a brat girl?
Yeah,
This
she's a
one?
cutie girl. Go John, smile.
You.
I'm a certified heartthrob, John Paul Longakit.
Heartthrob?
Yes. Mabamang school at college, malalim ba?
Kulit. Kulit. Speak in English, Paul.
Yes, I know. This is my water. C2. C2. What is the meaning of C2? Oh. Tapos sa gamay ba? With provide. It's so hot. Pila kami kilometers ni Mundagan.
Faster.
All boys. Philippines. Story sa mo daw eh.
I'm eating.
Sige eating ni mo dai. No. Hindi ko
Sige
erot
na, Paul. You sing in English.
You sing in English.
Small girl.
Oh, all the night, the stars is bright and shine. Moral soda.
The start is
Yeah.
Silent Night.
Silent night. Dito kasag-o.
Magnificent.
Ay, Bisaya na siya.
Sige, sige lang.
Ang rabakay ko ba siya Bisaya?